Hello everyone. Welcome to the C cluster Lifecycle Cluster API release team meeting. Today is 4th of September 2024. And usual reminders, please be respectful to each other, and also use hand raise feature of the Zoom. Let's start then. So first, in the agenda, first thing is from me. There was some issue, not an issue actually. If we check the task release cycle here, this task, so updating the release note users, and then some information in the book regarding the release cycle that has not been started yet. I just want to remind. I wanted to do it with myself, but it's tagged under the communication manager. So yeah, without your permission, I didn't want to start it. So yeah, if you have,
So I think you started making on that, or you don't have. So you did not start it, right? I will, otherwise I will do it.
yeah, I mean, because
Saw
it
the
was,
message like I am on it or something.
I'm on it, and then I checked. It's like it's under your name, so the
Okay.
communication manager. So I didn't want to get ahead of you. So
Okay.
I
Okay.
will
Got it.
let you
I got it.
decide if you
Okay.
would like to do it, or I can do it as well.
No, that's fine. I will do it. I will do it, or I will ask any communication teams to do it.
All right, yeah, that would be also nice to uh, like to allow the team members to contribute as well.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. And the another thing, I started looking into the deprecated code. I didn't open the PR yet. Yeah, so that would be on me. Basically, that's it. So yeah, Stefan is next, please.
Yeah, just a couple updates. So we did have the CI meeting. I didn't ask Fabrizio to add this to the playlist because I think it's just kind of an ad hoc meeting, but I recorded it just in case people want to see it. Mostly specific to CI stuff. But I think only one person from our team wasn't able to make it, but posting it here for the rest of the team just for visibility. And then the second issue is linked in the improvement tasks, so it's not it's not just this link. You can always get it from the improvement tests parent link that we have, but this is a new. Christian was nice enough to kind of aggregate all of the failures that we're seeing in the E2E tests. There was kind of an old issue that was from a few release cycles ago that people had just been kind of commenting on and tagging on, and it was a little bit confusing because the scope had essentially changed. So this is the new one. So yeah, I see there's already been some action on it of people taking interest in there. So yeah, just wanted to surface that to the team.
Okay, wow, thank you. That's really good, actually, to have a separate issue. Yeah, I remember old one was like a bit messy. I'm a bit surprised to have this much errors. But
Yeah,
yeah,
it's not
that's
great. Yeah, they're tough too. I mean, I've tried in the past troubleshooting these. It's not straightforward. So yeah, hopefully we can make there aren't that many other flakes. There's like maybe one or two other like flake issues open for the unit tests. Maybe we need to I'm going to take another pass at the unit tests. There might be another one that I'll open, but I think this will be the main focus for the CI team. So hopefully we can make some progress on these.
yeah, okay. Thank you. Thank you, Stefan. Hopefully it will be like fixed. So, okay. Do you want to update like in the overall CI condition now? How is it looking now?
Yeah, sure. I don't think we have. Yeah, I think that's kind of the status. That E2E issue should capture everything E2E that's been flaky. Otherwise, yeah, the unit tests we have, for what I've recognized, we have issues open, so we're tracking there. I think overall, I checked earlier today. Yeah, we look pretty, aside from those mentioned flakes, I think this hopefully that's a relatively accurate encapsulation of it.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Update. Okay,
I just wanted to
next up.
quickly check if we had some pending tasks, which I could potentially pick whatever you folks feel is left for out
Okay,
of this task.
yeah, thank you, Tastic. That's like I'll be honest because this one CI shadow team is kind of new for me, and I really don't know what to give to you. Probably you could help so from my understanding you could help do a release when we are doing release, and also like sometimes host release team meeting, and there are some of the tasks that will be coming soon, then we can delegate to you. So, but right now, I think it's not really strict. I think if you can go to the comms team as well in the CI team, and then you can help them out. So as we can see, there are quite some flakes. Yeah, I'm kind of like a CI shadow team is not really defined yet. Or I don't really, I do not have a clear understanding what task they should do. So. Yeah, Stefan, you have been also in the CI lead. What were your experience?
We had, I feel like the cycle that I did it, we had more issues, like improvement tasks carried over from the last one. So those I tried to delegate to people. I guess we don't have a terrible amount open now. We can check in on, what's this, July 10th. This one's been kicked around a lot. This SBOM issue, I think, has been added to the last 2 or 3 improvement tasks. I think, is Jayesh on the team this cycle? He is, right?
Yeah, but yeah, let's discuss with Jayesh, but I think that would be also really good improvement.
Because he's
You're talking about this one, right? Yeah.
yeah, he's been assigned since July, and I don't know. Yeah, this one just kind of seems to be just getting passed around, and I don't know if people are running into problems. It's not really clear if there are. Yeah, I don't think there's any new information, and we did get a pretty good message from somebody on the Kubernetes upstream who basically said like, hey, yes, you should start just, attaching these on the staging images, and we'll pick them up. So I think we have a good path forward. I think people just haven't necessarily had time to do anything with it.
Yeah, that's also good. Thank you, Stefan. Jayesh, I would ask you to take a look to this task, and if you like it, then please assign it to yourself. And also we can discuss it with Jayesh. Sorry, Tastic.
Hey, thanks for bringing it up, Stephen, and thanks Manat for explaining. Thanks for explaining. I'll just check this here also. So maybe if Jayesh is not working, I'm happy to check this further out.
All right, yeah. yeah, since we are in this table, let's go through that. This one is like get this improvement got closed because so it should do it should require some kind of improvement in the row side. So Stefan's suggested to close it. We can take a look into that as well. So the idea is like reporting the Slack failures. I mean the CI failures in the Slack channel of the cluster API. But currently it reports every failure. So if it reports every failure, it's gonna make too much noise. So we should have some kind of a threshold there. Like if it's above like 3 times, like the test fails 3 times in a row, then it should notify in the Slack channel, something like that. Yeah, but this one is needs some improvement in the browser. That could be also really interesting to work. So it's closed now, but yeah, as we do not have that much tasks, so we can go and contribute to the browser as well. All right. So SBOM, and these are the flakes of the CI. I think we are good here. So, yeah, this one got closed and then the new one got opened. So we are tracking the upgrade flakes in the new issue here. All right. That's it. That was all in what I have in mind. So do you have any questions, suggestions, comments? Any of you?
Hey, thanks, Sanat, for driving the discussion. Thanks, folks, for all the comments. Just one quick question for Stephen and Sunat, maybe. So I just made a note on the doc also that we were just discussing that SBOM ticket. I saw that I think I probably missed it, but it's already assigned to. Do you feel I should check with the assigned person right now if they've already picked it up? Because I didn't want to probably work on it if somebody's already working on it. Maybe I just missed that. Sorry.
Yeah, it was assigned in the previous cycle to Jayesh.
Yeah, in the previous side.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then it's like when in the new cycle we actually go through one more time. Yeah, it would be a good idea to talk to Jayesh first.
Sure.
Yeah.
So I'll just probably ping Jayesh on the cluster API channel and check with him
Yeah.
if he has made any progress or any pending PRs from his side. Nice. Thanks.
Yeah,
I'll
as
do
far as I know, he didn't open a PR. So he did like some learning, and then one part was not clear. Implementation part was not clear to him, and it got hold in there. So that's what I remember progress of this. But yeah, let's discuss it with Jayesh. You can add me to the discussion. We can discuss it. Okay. I think that's anyone else? No, seems no. And thank you very much for joining. And I'll stop sharing now. And see you in the office hours, CAPI office hours in 10 minutes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.